If you want to maximize your privacy, you should go with the VINTEZ Computer Privacy Screen Filter. The VINTEZ Privacy Screen Protector offers a narrow viewing angle of only 30 degrees and has a 16:9 aspect ratio. It's also very simple to install and includes the two same installation processes mentioned above. You can either use adhesive tapes or slide mount tapes. This one is also compatible with all the major monitor brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, ASUS, etc., and works by dimming the monitor screen when viewed from the sides. The best part of this screen protector is that it's reversible with two different finishes on both sides. You can choose the matte finish or the glossy one depending on your preference. Plus, the screen protector is also designed to act as a UV ray filter that can block 96% of the UV rays and cancels 65% of the blue light, enabling a more comfortable viewing experience. Customers are really happy as they can use it on curved screens as well. Oh! And it's compatible with touch screens also. Best features of this item: 24-inch privacy screen protector, 16:9 aspect ratio, 2 types of installation, blocks 65% Blu-ray and 96% UV ray, reversible with 2 finishes on both sides, anti-glare and anti-scratch treated. Pros of this item: ultra-thin design, reversible with 2 different finishes, touchscreen compatible, can be installed on curved screens. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.